Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know this video is coming out a little out of order, but we just got back from an amazing trip on the brand new Disney Treasure cruise ship, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing of one of the items that I bought. It's actually in this big box right here. So all of the Disney ships, they have the Disney Art on Demand. The vessels they show art all over the ship, and you can purchase some of that art. One of the pieces of art that I bought was from the Skipper Lounge, where it's all themed to the Jungle Book, and it was so well themed that they had a piece that I just had to get, and I'm gonna unbox it with you right now. But before I do, I want to show you some of the other collections that I've gotten into over the years of traveling on Disney Cruise Lines. So every Disney cruise ship, you can buy a model of the ship. So I have every model of pretty much every ship that I've been on in adulthood. This one right here was our newest, not that one, that's the Disney Wish. Here's the Disney Dream. And over here we have the Disney Treasure. Really, they're pretty much very similar molds. They just changed kind of the name on it. This is the only one that's a little bit different, which is the Disney Fantasy, which was produced by the artist Olzinski. I can never pronounce his name, but this one actually lights up. And of course, you always have a character within the atrium that you can buy their bust as well. So number one, the very first ship of the fleet, the Disney Magic, which you have Captain Mickey at the helm, followed by the Disney Wonder featuring Ariel, the second ship. The third ship, we come over here, Donald with the Disney Dream, Admiral Donald. Going to the fourth ship was the Disney Fantasy with Mademoiselle Minnie. The fifth ship, featuring Cinderella, the Disney Wish. And the sixth ship that we just got off of, the Disney Treasure, featuring Aladdin and Jasmine. So you can collect these. They get addicting after a while, but what I really wanted to show you, what is in this box right here. There are many different ways you can get Disney Art on Demand. You can order it in paper, you can order it in canvas, you can order smaller size, medium size, large size. Now, this piece right here of the inside the Disney Wish, they also had for the Disney Treasure. I really wanted that, but I thought it would just look too similar. So I got this piece, and I thought a medium was a good size. Apparently, this was a small, and I thought that it was a medium. So I got a medium, and it is huge, huge. I should have got a small, but this is the piece that came in. The Skipper Society. Now, I had no idea it was gonna be this big. I didn't have a ruler with me, but I do absolutely love it. And we're gonna take it out of the plastic right here, right now. Here we go. Ta-da! There we go. This is the medium size on canvas of the Skipper Society. Jungle Cruise's finest outpost. I got it with a gold frame because I thought it matched nicely with the brownish tones. There's the actual piece itself. It's stapled, it wraps around, and you can hang it right here. So there's a lot going on here. This is your entire voyage going through the Jungle Cruise, but a lot more detailed than that. You have Agrabah, you have the Haunted Mansion, over here. Here you have, you know, where you're docking, where you get on the Jungle Cruise. You have Indiana Jones over here. You have the rapids. I'm sure back here, look at that, the backside of water. Focus in right here. Look at that. At Castaway Cay, there we have that, what is it called? I'm trying to even read. It's so small what they say. The, what is that called? The Mount, look at all the detail. Here we have the dog from Coco. Here you got the magic carpet up here. Here we have, looks like that's from Avengers, right? We have a pirate ship over here. Here goes a lot of Easter eggs going on here. At the graveyard, we have Moana, we have Tafiti. There are so many things going on here. The Scat Cat, that's another lounge on the Disney Treasure. So many incredible Easter eggs on here. And I think you're gonna find some hidden Mickeys on here as well. So, where can we put this? Where can we put this guy? I mean, we got so much going on over here. I'm thinking maybe right over here, below this other iconic piece that we got in Hawaii by Michelle. And I don't know if you guys remember this scene back from the 1930s, 1940s with Mickey and Minnie out in Hawaii. He's playing a song for her on the ukulele. Pluto, he's not so happy. He's got a little crab on him right there. And we're gonna put this right here. I may have to adjust where it is on the wall, but actually I think that looks pretty good. What do you guys think of that? So there you have it. Our newest piece of Disney artwork. Just going and adding on to a collection of the Disney artwork that I have gotten myself into. Let me know what you guys think. Have you seen this piece? Have you been on the Disney Treasure? If so, what are the pieces that have stand out to you? There's so many pieces that I wanted to get, especially from the Haunted Mansion parlor. Stay tuned. I'm going to be putting a lot of videos of the Disney Treasure day by day, going into detail about the ship and comparing it to our last voyage on the Disney Wish. If you're new to the channel, do me a huge favor, subscribe to it, give the video a like, share this video, and of course, I will see you on the next adventure. Take care of yourselves and each other. Peace.